How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add a priority to your tasks or contacts in monday.com. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your monday.com as an administrator. So assuming that you guys own the workspace or the account or the company, then this should be easy as you'll already come with admin privileges to make configurations and whatnot. But assuming you guys are a manager or an admin for Monday or for your company on monday.com, then this should be easy to do too, given that you have the right permissions. So what you need to do, like I said, is you want to log into your account, and then you want to navigate to the left-hand side of your screen till you see the options that'll take you to different boards within your company, such as your contacts or the teams or the active projects or projects on hold and whatnot. So in this case, I'll be modifying the priority for a couple of my contacts. So let's actually do the people in R&D. So all I have to do is click on it like so, and you'll see right away that there's a tab or a filter that says priority. So all you have to do here to actually change the priority is click on it like so. So let's say that because let's pretend that because Alex Green is the CEO of the company, we'd change his priority to the highest. So that'd be high. Or you could also add a custom one like so. Do highest. Click on it like that. And you can see here it's the highest. You can even do like custom ones or change it to whatever. So basically just click on the priority tag right here and change it accordingly. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.